ClawdBot is the craziest, most valuable AI tool in the entire world. So you know what? I'm taking the phone off the stand. It's this serious. The AGI is here, guys. It's here. Have you ever seen the movie Her with Scarlett Johansson? That's it. ClawdBot is this. It's 2026. The future is here. This is the end all be all, guys. This will make millionaires. I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. I've been playing around with this for about 2 weeks, and this completely changed my life, and it's going to change yours. This will make you a millionaire. Period. No if, and, or buts about it. This is going to make you rich, guys. The people who show up, the people who learn about this tool right now are going to be the millionaires and the billionaires in 2026 and beyond. I break down the video in 3 parts. The first part explains exactly what ClawdBot is. The second part is the use cases. And the third part is a step-by-step way to install it for complete beginners. No tech code, no tech jargon. It breaks it down in a very, very simple way to install it. If you're ready, let's get into it. So what exactly is ClawdBot? Well, ClawdBot is an AI assistant that can literally do anything that a human can do. And I'm talking about anything. It's not like ChatGPT. It's not like regular Claude or Grok or Gemini. This is actually way smarter. This is AGI. Most people don't think that AGI is here, but it's already here, and it's called ClawdBot. Let's get into it. So looking on the website, ClawdBot is classified as the AI that actually does things. Clears your inbox, sends emails, manages your calendar, it checks in for flights, all on WhatsApp, Telegram, or any chat app that you already use. There are so many reviews, guys, and this is going absolutely crazy on X right now. What does it do? It runs on your machine, Mac, Windows, or Linux, Anthropic, OpenAI, or local models. Private by default, so the data stays yours. You can access it through any chat app. You can access it on WhatsApp, on Telegram, on Discord, on Slack, on Signal, on iMessage, works in DMs and group chats. It has pretty much infinite memory, remembers you and becomes uniquely yours. Your preferences, your context, your AI. This actually learns from your conversations. It remembers who you are. It remembers what you want. It remembers what you like. It remembers that you want to lose weight, or you want to improve yourself, or you want to make money. It remembers, and it gets smarter and smarter day by day and month by month. It can control your browser. It controls the web. It fills out forms. It extracts data from any sites. It can analyze YouTube videos. It can analyze trends on X and Twitter and Instagram and combine them and give you spreadsheets and data and PDFs. Just the sky is the limit with ClawdBot. It has full system access, so it can read and write files. It can run shell commands. It can execute scripts, full access or sandbox, your choice. It has skills and plugins. Extend your community with skills or build your own. It can even write its own. And wait until you see what ClawdBot can do. It's absolutely insane. I've been using this for about a week and a half, 2 weeks, and it's changed my life completely. This is going to make me more millions of dollars than any other AI tool can possibly make me or you in our lifetime, guys. You don't need expensive equipment to run it. Even though there's a lot of YouTube videos out there saying that you need a Mac Mini, you don't. If you have a crappy laptop or a crappy phone, you can run it on that. You can run it on Windows, on Mac OS, on Linux, anything that you want, you can run it on your platform. Again, it can do literally anything that a human being can do. This is the craziest AI, the craziest AGI that's ever came out. Remember when ChatGPT came out and everyone was so excited? Now this is 1,000 times bigger, guys. Let's get into the installation and start playing around with it. Okay, before I set this up for you, I want you to understand exactly how ClawdBot works. And we're going to break this down into 4 simple sections. Now, you as the user use ClawdBot either on a cell phone or a laptop. And you don't have to have any fancy, expensive equipment like a MacBook or a Mac Mini. As long as you have an Android or an Apple phone or any type of computer or operating system like Windows or Linux or Mac OS, you're completely fine. And I always recommend running it on a VPS, and we'll talk about that later in the video, exactly why you should do that. So the first one is a gateway. So the gateway is where you talk to your AI. This is essentially how you communicate through it. And you communicate to the AI through messaging platforms like Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, and iMessage. The agent is essentially the brain. This is what thinks. This is the thinking part of the AI agent. The skills part is what your AI assistant can actually do. The memory is where it stores everything that it remembers about you. And This is unlike ChatGPT. This remembers every single thing about you and it learns, it gets smarter day by day. And this is essentially AGI. Everyone says AGI is not here yet, but guess what? It's already here. It's called ClawdBot. So the first part of ClawdBot is the gateway. This is essentially your front door. This is where you communicate to your AI assistant. And you can do it through Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, or iMessage. Again, it lives on all of these messaging platforms. You don't have to open up an app. You don't have to go to your ChatGPT app or your Claude app or open up a website or a browser. Wherever you go, if you're at the store, if you're at the gym, if you're shopping, wherever you are, if you can open up one of these messaging apps, you can talk to your AI assistant. Text or voice note, and basically it's like messaging a friend or messaging an AI employee. It works from anywhere, guys. If you're driving, if you're at dinner, if you're in bed, if you're wherever at work and on your lunch break, it works where you are. It sets scheduled tasks. So you can say something like this: every morning at 7 a.m., brief me on AI news, or brief me on what's going on in the world of sports, or update me on the latest stocks that are bullish today. Your AI actually reaches out to you proactively with updates. Now, the more that the ClawdBot, your AI, which by the way, you can name it, the more that your AI assistant learns about you, the more that it proactively reaches out to you. It knows who you are. It knows what you want. It knows that you're trying to make money. It knows that you're paying attention to stocks, or you want to grow your muscles, or you want to improve your diet, or whatever the case may be. It knows you. So the more that you work with it, the more that it gets to know you. You don't have to open up websites. You don't have to switch apps. It's already where you are on your messaging platform. So here's an example. You send a voice note or a business idea while driving, and by the time you get home, it's already researched. It's already giving you a full report, a full breakdown of the business idea. So that's essentially the gateway, guys. The gateway is where you talk from your messaging platform service. This is connected directly to the brain, which is the second step of ClawdBot. Number 2 is the agent, which is the brain. This lives in Gemini, ChatGPT, or Claude. And I always recommend Claude, not to be confused with ClawdBot, because this is, in my opinion, the smartest LLM in the world, and it has the greatest personality. So this is the actual AI that thinks and responds. Again, Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and other LLM models. This works 24/7, processes tasks while you sleep. Swappable brains, which means that you can switch AI models from Chat to Claude to Gemini in 2 minutes if needed. Here's an example of what we can do with this. I need you to read a 50-page paper before bed. As soon as you wake up, it gives you a complete summary. Your memory and conversations stay intact when you swap models. And by the way, guys, when I first learned about this tool, I was a little worried about the memory, like who has access to this? But guess what? It's open source. No giant company like ChatGPT or Claude have access to your memory. Your memory is open source. It lives directly, locally on your system. And it's working when you're not. It's your true 24/7 assistant. The third part of ClawdBot is the skills. This is where the magic happens, guys. Plugins that give your AI real abilities and not just chatting. So it can read inbox, it can flag important emails, it can draft responses, it can post to Twitter for you automatically, it can monitor replies, it can engage for you, it can check out your competitors and see what's working now or from the past week so that you can copy them and be successful on social media as well. It takes control of your browser. For example, find best standing desk under $400 on Amazon. It searches and it compares prices. It even buys things for you. There's voice transcription. You can send a 1-hour meeting voice note and you get the transcript plus action items. Calendar, email, all that good stuff, guys. Auto schedules meetings by reading emails and checking availability, etc., etc. There's nothing that ClawdBot can't do. Number 4 is memory. Now, ClawdBot has infinite context. It remembers every single thing about you permanently, unlike ChatGPT, which often forgets. It saves your preferences, your past conversations, and instructions, and it actually learns as you get to know it more and more. So tell it once how you like things, and it remembers forever. Example, your research format. You want to research certain companies, but you want to research it in a certain way. Like you want to research companies, revenue, competitors, news, etc. You never repeat yourself. It always remembers how you want your research laid out. So month number 1, you're teaching it. Month number 3, it does the things your way. Month number 6, it anticipates your needs. It gets smarter, which is basically what AGI is. Builds institutional knowledge about you and your projects over time. Huge, huge use case. The longer you use it, the smarter it gets about what you need. The future's here, guys. AGI is here. I'm so excited about the possibilities. Like, the ROI on this is incredible. How much am I going to spend on this? Maybe $100 max per month with the Claude Pro plan, but the ROI on this for me is millions of dollars. I'm going to make more millions of dollars with this tool than with any other tool on the internet, any AI tool that is. Let's summarize it up a little bit. So the gateway, you can text it anywhere, anytime. Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, iMessage, always in your pocket. The agent is the AI brain working 24/7 even while you sleep. The skills part, it actually does things for you, like email, calendar, research, posting, etc., etc. Anything that a human can do, ClawdBot can do. Memory, it learns you and gets better every single day, just like AGI does. It's an AI assistant that knows you, works nonstop, and lives where you already are. Your work, the gym, the grocery store, wherever you are, you can talk to it, and it connects directly to your computer. Set it up once, it compounds in value over time. And it's your personal AI that actually does things, guys. Now, let's get into the rest of the video. I'm going to show you how to set this up. Okay, guys, I know there's a lot of complicated instructions on the internet about how to set this up. So let me break it down for you step by step in an extremely easy way so you can understand how to set this up, because it's super, super simple. So the first thing that we do, we're going to want to get our own private server. And the reason why we're doing this is because this is new technology. If you install it locally on your computer, this technology has not been proven yet. This is an AI agent that can take control of your entire computer. You don't know what it's going to do. You don't know if it's going to send weird emails to your ex-girlfriend at 4 a.m. You don't know if it's going to erase all of your files. It's a super smart AI, but the technology is new. So you're taking precautions. There's 2 ideas here. You can either run it locally on your computer. You can buy a separate computer like a Mac Mini and run it locally on your computer, or you can run it inside of your own private server. And we're going to be doing that. We're going to be running it in our own private server. So the private server that we're going to be using is AWS from Amazon. The first step that we're going to do is we're going to go to aws.amazon.com/EC2. Once we get here, we're going to click on Get Started with Amazon EC2. Now, if we don't have an account, we're going to sign up. We're going to click Verify Email Address, and we're going to enter the code that it's sent to our email address. We're going to set our password, and we're going to click Continue. Now, if you're just getting started, I recommend that you choose the free plan. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that. Now we're going to enter some more information. For the free plan, you're going to need to enter your credit card information, but they only take $1 out just to make sure you have money in your account. So go ahead and do that. Then they're going to send a verification code to your phone. And once you've completed the 5 steps, it's now setting up your account. So once we're inside of the dashboard, we're going to go to EC2 and click on it. Then it takes us to this page, and we're going to go ahead and click on Launch Instance. And we're going to go ahead and name our server and choose Ubuntu. Then we're going to choose the instance type, and we're going to choose the biggest one available. Scroll down the list, and you'll see one that has 8 GB memory. We're going to choose that. And then we're going to click Launch Instance. We're going to enter a key pair name here. I'm going to call mine Johnny. And then we're going to click Launch Instance. Then click on the instance ID right here. Click on Connect on the upper right-hand corner. And then click on Connect in the bottom right-hand corner. Now it establishes an SSH on our server. Essentially, an SSH, it keeps hackers and people who want to steal our information out of our business. The next step is, after we have our private server set up, we're going to ClawdBot. That's CLAWD.bot. Once we're on ClawdBot, we scroll down, and there's one line of code that all we have to do is copy, and then we come back to our virtual private server. Once we're inside of the window, come here, click on the bottom, and paste it inside, and click Enter. And that's it, guys. We're officially on a roll. Okay, you'll notice that it starts asking us some questions. Let's zoom in a little bit. It's giving you a warning here, and it's basically asking you if you understand that this is powerful and inherently risky. So we're going to click Yes. Then we're going to click Quick Start. And then it's asking us to choose our agent, which is essentially our brain. This is what we covered in the number 2 slide in the previous part of the video. So I have the Anthropic Pro plan, but I don't have an API key yet. So let me show you how to buy one really quick. And once we have the API key, we're going to enter it in the second option where it says Anthropic API key. What I'm doing is I'm going to platform.claude.com and we're going to get an API key. Now, as soon as we get to the platform here, we're going to click Get API Key, and it's going to ask us to pay $5, which is the minimum for an API key. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so I went ahead and bought my API key by entering my credit card information, and now it's going to populate the API key. Once we paid, it's going to ask us to create our first API key. We're going to name it here, and we're going to click on Create API Key. Don't worry about this. This is already set on default. Perfect. We have our API key. We're going to click on Copy. We're going to come back to the AWS console. We're going to choose Anthropic API key, hit Enter, and then enter the key. Once you've entered the API key, it's going to ask you to choose the Brain, which is the agent model that you're going to use. And in this case, I'm going to choose Claude Opus 4.5 because it's the strongest model available. It then asks us to choose our gateway, and I'm going to choose WhatsApp because that's what I use. In the case of WhatsApp, it's going to ask me to scan my QR code through the WhatsApp platform, but if you use Telegram, it gives you simple on-screen instructions to connect that. The same with Discord, the same with iMessage. So go ahead and do that now. Next step, we're going to choose yes to configure skills now. We're going to choose yes to install Homebrew, and then we're going to choose the option BUN out of these 3 options. Now it's going to ask you a couple of questions about yourself, and this is where you get to name it. This is where the fun starts, guys, and congratulations. You just installed your very own AI agent, which, by the way, it's AGI. And that's it, guys. All you need to do is message yourself on Telegram or WhatsApp, and you're officially live. Now, that wasn't too bad, was it? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys installed it, because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make money with ClawdBot. Now, those who show up early, whether it's Bitcoin or crypto or stocks or anything AI or technology related, especially AGI, are going to be the ones who make the most amount of money. This is not a joke, guys. AI is getting super serious. ClawdBot can do the work of 100 people in less than 3 seconds. It's crazy where this technology is going. If you want to stay up to date on all the latest and the greatest AI news, trends, and tools, and how to make money with them in a simple step-by-step fashion, be sure to join my completely free newsletter. Scan the QR code on the screen to join now, or click on the link in the description. If you want to know how to make money with ClawdBot, click right here.